Hi everyone, my name is Abhinav from Migration Centre of Australia. I'm a registered migration agent. We've received quite a few inquiries and we have a lot of questions specifically for the training visa. So today we're going to be running through some of those questions to help clarify some of the doubts that you may have regarding the 407 training visa. And if you have anything else, you can contact us on 02 4626 1002 or head to our website to book in a consultation at a time that suits you best.
Hi Abhinav. I've got a few questions about condition 8102, which is a mandatory condition for subclass 407 visa. And because it's a condition on the visa holder, so the question is that what this condition 8102 is, how it is relevant for the nominees, and is it also relevant for the sponsorship obligations? Could you please explain to get more clarity on this particular condition?
So I want to talk about this condition 8102 that is mandatorily placed on the training visa, subclass 407. This condition restricts visa holders from engaging in work other than work that is in relation to the course of study or training that has been approved by the department. Now, you are probably nominating a particular occupation and defining where you need training within that occupation. Now, that training program that has been approved will not necessarily cover all of the occupations as per ANSCO, right? You're not looking to gain all of those skills. You're looking to enhance particular skills as per the ANSCO requirements for specific tasks. So therefore, you should only be getting skills or getting that training obtained for what's been approved by the department and the proposed training plan that was submitted. Now, if you are working outside of those training parameters that have been approved, you may be in breach of condition 8102. This can result in your visa being cancelled. It can also have consequences on the sponsor as a temporary activity approved sponsor, because they will be in breach of their sponsorship obligations as you're operating outside of those parameters because they were not approved as part of the training program by the Department of Home Affairs.